Playful Passimian. Breaks with Serena. Radiant Jirachi. Nice little shine on there. A Radiant Serena. Regieleki. Unknown. Superior. Chestnut. Regidrago V-Star. The Friends and Galar full art. Nice card. The Unknown V Altar. The V-Guard Energy Secret Rare. And the Lugia V-Star Rainbow Rare. And let's not forget the Lugia full art. Yeah, and that's basically everything.
Well, guys, we really appreciate your support. I hope you have a good day. It was nice seeing you.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.